I'm always setting up new businesses with S corporations or limited liability companies because they offer some liability protection. You know, instead of me operating a business as a sole proprietor, it's too easy these days to go set up let's say a one-person limited liability company, and therefore when I'm dealing with the public in a recreational enterprise, they're dealing with my company, which has a separate legal identity in the eyes of the law, so that if they have a problem somewhere, something goes wrong, they really have a claim against my liability company, but not against me. So they don't get to all my other assets. They don't get to my land and my farm and my business and my investments because they've got a claim against this legal entity. But you know, a limited liability company, when people mention that, are normally talking about a form of a legal entity that has liability protection, but that is treated as a partnership for tax purposes. And there's some, you know, without getting too detailed, there are advantages, you know, to these different entities. A lot of people feel like that limited liability companies are better vehicles to own land. There's some issues with flexibility and pulling land in and out that might be relevant. On the other hand, an S corporation, you know, has the ability to help you minimize self-employment taxes under certain circumstances. But I would certainly not cookbook and jump into an entity without talking to a CPA or talking to your lawyer about the best form, because it's not a one-size-fits-all. There, you know, you need to tailor the entity to fit, you know, what would be the most appropriate legal vehicle to run a business.